These saw thrips on this plant when I first got it. My mother asked me about Sunny. She's like, how's Sunny doing? They put shea butter on the leaves, they're trying to keep Sunny moisturized. I cut off the vines. Hey y'all, it's your girl Juliet, also known as Ahava. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to those of you who are returning, and welcome to those of you who are seeing me and watching me for the first time. I hope you stay a while. How about you click on that subscribe button, join the family. It's free. All right. Okay, so this will be a short video on some of my plants. I just wanted to give you a few updates on some of the plants that I've had a few questions about. And so here they are. Okay, so first on the list is my Calathea, leopardina rescue plant that I purchased or picked up from Home Depot several months ago. And when I picked it up, it was not looking too good, but here it is now. So it is doing well. It's growing small, but it's growing nevertheless. I'm still trying to figure out the crispy tips and edges, and I do have the water conditioner that should help with this, but I'm not consistent with it, so that might be a problem. Although our water that flows throughout the house is filtered, but it's still getting the crispy edges. So that's an issue. And as I mentioned, it's growing short. So I'm trying to figure out the lighting situation to see whether it requires more light or less light. I've moved it around a few times, and I don't know if I'm leaving it in those locations long enough to see the difference. So I'm looking forward to the upcoming spring season and summer season to place it maybe near the sliding doors so that it could get more light and see if it likes it that way. But I did read up that it prefers less light, not too bright. I'll figure this out, but for now, this is what it's looking like. I'm actually wanting to maybe cut them off right here. Okay, and then propagate them so that they can grow roots and replant them, because I'm not really liking this situation here at the bottom. And this pot has a lot of roots, but the plant is small. So I'm going to have to repot it within the year, and it's going to be this small plant in this big pot, and I don't want that. So I'm thinking I'm going to do that. I'm going to propagate them, cut them off, and grow roots, and then replant them. But I'll let you know. Another thing I've been struggling with this plant is thrips. So at one point in time, someone commented that they saw thrips on this plant when I first got it, and I didn't see it, and I didn't think it was the case, but I have had an issue with it. It seems to be under control right now. Once in a while I'll see a couple on them, and then I'll wash the leaves, but I've been trying to keep up on the rinsing of the leaves once a week at the least. I've been doing it maybe twice to 3 times a week, and when I remember, I do it, but it's under control. So I'm not ready to toss this yet. It's growing, and it's going to be just fine. All right, so there's my Calathea leopardina. Next up is Sunny. Sunny is an OG. Okay, it's been with me for many years. When I started my plant parent journey, this is one of the plants I started out with, and I have a video about Sunny on my channel, so I'll link that for you. But it's been through a lot. Okay, Sunny's been through a lot. A few falls, okay, and Sunny didn't start out like this. It had an accident, and I had to cut these. Well, no, it didn't have an accident. It rotted. It had root rot, okay, and I had to chop this up chop off the top of the plant that I had. It was one plant, and then I propagated it, grew the roots, and I planted it back into this pot here, and it's doing well, guys. I've had some questions about it, and even my mother asked me about Sunny. She's like, how's Sunny doing? But Sunny is doing well. Sunny is growing and is happy, and it's not growing too fast, but it's growing and it's doing well. I'm taking my time with the watering, making sure that I don't overwater it, and it's pretty happy. And I was just wiping off its leaves, and I found shea butter on the leaves. Like, what's going on, guys? I think this is my children's doing. They put shea butter on the leaves, they're trying to keep Sunny moisturized. But anywho, Sunny is doing well and it's growing, and I love it. I'll never give up on Sunny because Sunny is a day one. Okay, one of my day ones. All right. But here you go. Right. Another plant I wanted to update you on is my Scindapsus. I know y'all love my Scindapsus. Y'all love your Scindapsuses, but they are beautiful plants. But I propagated mine. I chopped off my vines and I created a whole new pot of Scindapsus exotica, and I just wanted to show it off a little bit. So I'll show you first my original plant. So here is the original. Okay, it's majestic. It's one of my favorite plants, and y'all can see why. And I am doing very well with the Scindapsus exotica. I might say, tooting my own horn. So it's doing very well. I cut off the vines. I wanted to propagate it, and I also wanted it to grow evenly, more evenly, because some of the vines were longer than the others. So this is one I cut. Another one over here. Oh no, that's not one that I cut, but I cut a few of them. Here's one that I cut. Okay, but it's doing well. It's growing well. Some of the leaves, the newer leaves, are growing a little bit smaller, but that might be because it requires a little bit more light. I have it in front of my TV, which is about 5 feet or so from the sliding doors from the window. So it's doing well. I can't complain about it. Okay, so this is the mother plant, and here is my pot of propagation. Okay, off of that one mother plant. So here are the original leaves, the original cuttings, I should say, and it's growing so well. Look at how big this new leaf is. This is a new leaf. Okay, this is another one and a few more, but it is huge. Like, it's as big as my hand. See how beautiful this is? So this is doing very well. Okay, it's under my Ascovin grow light. I have a video on that as well, but that grow light is doing wonders. Like, it's so good. It comes with 2 moisture meters, and they are digital moisture meters, and they're working so good as well. But the grow light is so good because this is what it's yielding. Huge leaves. Okay, and I can't be any more happy. All right, but these are some of the newer leaves that are coming up, and I assume that they're gonna get as big as this one here. But yeah. So there's that update for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a like if you enjoyed the video, comment, share the video, and subscribe if you haven't yet done so. All right. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Take care.